Hi guys, Ifekshipa speaking. We are back with another video. So today guys, we're going to be analyzing AUDUSD. So I hope we all gonna learn, and I hope we're going to be profitable from this pair right here. So we are on a daily time frame, as you can see guys. So now the first thing first that you're going to be looking at before you can actually start trying to analyze, you have to identify the trend. Where are we trending, guys? We are actually trending, on an uptrend. You understand? This is where we actually heading at the moment. You see, we are actually heading all the way up. So now, since we know that we are trending all the way up, what's happening right now is that we're going to identify our levels, our strong levels within this pair, right? So we're going to start by identifying our high, which is this level. This is the highest point on this small uptrend right here, and then this is our what? This is our low. So now another support that you're going to highlight is this level right here. This is where we currently at, as you can see. And this level again, it has so many touches. So now it speaks with us when that happens. It clearly says to us that this level is very strong, and since there are so many touches on this level, then we know that we're going to be looking for a change of direction within this level on smaller time frames, because that's where we need to be going so we can get like our confirmation. But then we have to know the direction from the bigger time frame, right? And then another level that is strong is this level right here. And I'm choosing this level because now this is the neckline for the pattern that I see. You must also know patterns, guys. You have to do research on patterns. There are so many patterns within the market, so you have to know most of them. So the most important ones, it's head and shoulders, flag, double bottoms, double tops. Those are the ones that you will actually see the continuous build on those patterns on the market, right? So from here to this level right here, I'm seeing a shoulder, I'm seeing the head right here. This is a pattern, guys. This is a head and shoulder pattern. So we're gonna come to this level. This is our what? Our right shoulder. So the market, as you can see, it went all the way down aggressively without making a proper retest, right? So now we have to now be a bit cautious about this move, because now we all know that the market, when the market moves aggressively, it has to actually make some sort of a retest, right? So now from here, we're going to do what? We're going to be looking to retest on this neckline of the head and shoulders, right? And the good thing is that we're getting this pattern from a bigger time frame, so meaning that the probabilities of us killing this pair is very high, right? So this is where we're going to be targeting before we can actually look for what? For the sells from this level. It's either it's gonna actually get here and create another change of direction and continue to actually do what? Sell, since now you'd find that it's creating some lower highs this side, right? If we were to draw a trend line going all the way down, it's also a mini downtrend, this one. So now this is where you're actually gonna be looking for. We're looking to actually do what? To buy. This buy is a retest, guys, right? So we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, so we can see the chart clearly. We need to expand the chart, right? So we can see what is it that we have? So let me go to a 3 hour. A 3 hour, I think it's much better. So yeah, this is much better. This is much better. So now, looking at this, guys, this level right here, we can see that there's a pattern that formed within that level, and it is clearly communicating with us that we are in a changing of direction, right? Let me just adjust this properly. So yeah, so we can see that we are in a change of direction, and this has formed a double what? It has formed a double bottom. Other people call it a W. We all know that there are so many names within these guys, so you must just know, which one is which one, right? So yeah, we can see from here, this was, the lower low, right? And then it went all the way up to this level, and then it came and created a what? A lower high. So now it clearly says to us that we are changing direction, because now it's creating a what? An uptrend. You understand what I mean? It's creating an uptrend, right? So what's going to happen from now is that, since we can clearly see what's happening, normally I like to draw channels, guys. Channels also are very important, for you to be able to understand exactly what is happening within the market, right? So this is our what? This is our lower lows. We can see that we have touches right here. We have one touch, we have two touch, we have the third touch here, and then another confirmation is the what? The W that is forming within this level. So this is where we're going to be targeting, right? And let me just draw the what? The higher lows. The lower highs, since we are on a downtrend on this piece right here, right? So I'm gonna just do this. Yes, guys. So we can see that, on this level we have only two touches. So we need a third touch, guys. We need a third touch. Other people call this Elliott wave, whereby it's doing all some zigzags, right? There are so many names that you can actually look at. So we need a third touch at this point right here. So now what's going to happen is that for us to know exactly where we're going to be targeting is that we're going to check the nearest we're going to check with the nearest resistance, right? Since now it's actually at this level right here, right? So we're going to be looking up there to see where is the nearest resistance. Our nearest resistance is this level right here, and I'll tell you why. It is because now I chose that level because it's a bit stronger, since we have this touch right here. Since we have this touch right here, let me just show you the touch. We have this touch right here. You see this touch, this touch right here, and then it's connecting nicely with this level right here. So now we can see that, guys, this is pretty much clear, right? So we're gonna go to a smaller time frame. It can be a 1 hour chart, it can be a 45 minutes, a 30 minutes, but then we're gonna go to a what? To a 1 hour, so we can be able to see exactly what is happening within this chart right here. So yeah, we can see that there's a mini head and shoulders within this level. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. There is this level right here. This is the small shoulder right here, and then this is the head, And then now what is happening is that it's actually creating a shoulder. So from here we might expect it to retest to this level right here, and then we're going all the way up from here. We're not even looking back, guys. From here we're going to be shooting to the moon, right? So the reason I chose this level right here, it is because this level right here, it has rejected multiple times. It has created touches on this level. You can see that we have this level as a strong level. You see there's a touch on the left hand side, there's a touch in the middle. There are so many touches, and it has also rejected on the same level. So basically what we're looking for right now is that let me just do this. We are looking for this pair to actually sell to this level right here, right? And finish up creating the shoulder. From here, since we are on an uptrend, we cannot be expecting this to actually get to this level right here, because now it has created a small or a mini uptrend, right? So we're gonna have to be patient with it and wait for it to actually form fully before we actually take our buys. A lot of traders who are swinging, these guys, they can actually hold like trades for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, or a week, or a month. You understand what I mean? So the main reason why we go to smaller time frames to actually identify these things that we see is for us to be able to be in profit the minute we actually get into the trade. So we need to check the probabilities and everything, right? So it has to actually sell for now and retest to this level before we actually go all the way up. So I'm gonna be a bit patient, and then I'm gonna wait for it to go all the way down before I continue with my buys. So if you can also draw this this what do you call this, the higher high on this level, we can see this is connecting very clear, guys. It's connecting, it's connecting very nice. So we can see that it has to do what? It has to sell. After the sell, then we're going to be looking for what? For our buys. So let's just be patient with it, and let's kill it, guys. Thank you so much. Just like my videos, guys, and share, and then press that subscribe button. And peace, guys. Let's be profitable. Dango.